everyone, welcome to another Outlook video. We are going to look at some clever ways to make your life easier with Outlook, and let's jump right in. So first that I want to show you is not the VBA. I want to show you a way to launch Outlook differently. So you want to now launch it with the calendar open, the calendar view instead of the normal Outlook view. First thing you need to do is you need to go find your Outlook exe. That is usually in C, and then in program files, let's see, Microsoft Office, Office 16 probably. Nope. Let's find it. It's not in here. So let's look at not program files then. Let's try program files x86. Let's go check Microsoft. No Office there. Okay. Microsoft Office 16. Let's see, Microsoft OneDrive. Oh, Jesus. Let's just go to here because I've got a shortcut here. Oops. Oh, there we go. So that is where it is. Program files, Microsoft Office, root Office. Oh, okay. Program files, Microsoft Office, root Office 16. Okay, and then it will be in here. So you select, you identify and find your Outlook exe file, right? Really, there we go. There it was. There it is. Then you right click it and say send to desktop, create shortcut. Yay, there we've got another shortcut to Outlook. Then you edit this shortcut. You right click it, you say properties. And now with these properties you can say, what was it? Let me just quickly check. So that would be right. So here, target. You change the target to at the end, at the very end. It should have the string exactly. Add at the end / select and then Outlook colon calendar. Calendar. I'm not sure. And that's it. Then you apply and okay, and you could rename the shortcut to be descriptive for yourself. So you could say Outlook calendar view. There we go. And now you can launch it. And there it opened Outlook, but with your calendar selected by default, which is extremely useful for a lot of people. There's other options you can set as well for Outlook Startup. Let's do one more. I'm not going to lie, I'm using a cheat sheet. So let's do one more. Let's see what else is there. So here you can run a macro after launch, that is useful. There's one where you can send an email straight. That's fantastic. I wonder where it is now. Okay, but you get the gist of it. So, extremely useful. Here we go. To create a shortcut that creates a new message, then we can add this. Use iNote. That is fantastic, right? So, try to remember this. This is useful. This is very useful, and you can have fun with these. Thank you for watching. If you want to find the list of these startup shortcuts, you just Google Outlook command line switches. And then you will find a multitude of lists with all of them in. So this is the one that I used. And you can then just check. You've got so many and very useful ones indeed as well. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.